Hi, and welcome to another testRigor tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to import test cases from Azure DevOps directly into testRigor. In order to do this, the first thing you'll need to do is either create a new test suite or select an existing test suite where you wish to import your test cases from Azure DevOps. In this case, let's go to one that has already been created. Now that we're inside our test suite, we'll need to integrate Azure DevOps with testRigor. In order to do this, simply go to Settings, select the Integrations tab, and search for the Azure DevOps Integration checkbox. Once you enable the checkbox, testRigor will show the fields necessary to complete the connection with your Azure DevOps suite. Fill in your Azure DevOps organization name, enter the project name, a personal access token, the plan ID, and the suite ID, all of which can be found in the URL of your Azure DevOps suite with the exception of the access token. After completing the form, scroll down to the bottom, save your settings, and return to the Test Cases section. You'll notice a new button named Import Test Cases from Azure DevOps near the top of the page. Click this button to begin the process of importing test cases. testRigor will give you the option to import all test cases or to import a selection of test cases. Note that the option to override already linked tests updates previously created test cases with the script of the case in Azure DevOps at the time the importation is triggered. If a test case is already working and stable in testRigor, this option is not recommended. This feature is more for when specifications of a flow have drastically changed or the case is not currently completed. Since this testRigor suite doesn't currently have any test cases, overriding is not necessary. We'll import all and click Confirm. As you can see, the test cases have been imported directly from Azure DevOps into testRigor. Notice that each step has been converted into testRigor commands. It's also important to note that specifications that are not known testRigor commands will automatically be converted into AI-based rules. Generative AI will then try to complete the specifications to the best of its ability. This means that test cases should be ready to execute as soon as they are imported. If you need to make modifications to the test cases, simply open the editor and add, remove, or modify commands. If you need to make modifications to the reusable rules in your script, copy the rule name, go to the reusable rules section, and paste the rule in the search folder. Click the rule, deselect the AI-based rule checkbox, and modify, making sure to save your changes afterward. A shortcut testRigor has provided to do this is to click on the rule from the script while holding Control or Command on macOS. The rule will appear in a new tab already filtered out. After locating the rule, you can follow the same steps to modify. And that's how test case importation from Azure DevOps into testRigor works. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.